The Two of Cups reveals the moment when emotional potential becomes relationship. Two figures stand facing one another beneath a golden sky, each extending a cup in equal offering. Between them rises a caduceus, crowned by a radiant lion's head, the union of passion, courage, healing, and balance. Their meeting is sincere and unguarded. It is the sacred exchange where two hearts recognize one another and connection moves from possibility into harmony. The central symbol is the pair of figures offering identical cups. Their mirrored gestures express reciprocity, showing that true partnership requires equality of giving and receiving. Neither dominates, each honors the other. This scene captures the spirit of emotional accord, the willingness to meet someone exactly where they stand. The first supporting symbol is the caduceus. Its intertwined serpents signify communication, energetic exchange, and the healing power of honest interaction. Rising between the figures, it represents the alchemical field created when two people engage with openness. The lion's head above it adds vitality and courage, suggesting that intimacy requires both heart and strength. The second symbol is the golden cups themselves. Identical in shape and height, they reflect emotional parity. Their shared glow indicates mutual attraction, trust, and the willingness to invest in connection. These cups extend the overflowing potential of the ace into relational form. Love now moves between two vessels rather than one. The third symbol is the bright landscape behind them. Clear sky and soft hills represent stability and shared ground. The home-like structure in the background suggests that relationship creates a sacred space. Partnership becomes a place of belonging, safety, and shared purpose. The fourth symbol is the subtle shadow forming a single shape beneath the figures. It shows two becoming one boundary, not through loss of identity, but through unity in intention. Relationship at its best is a shared reflection created through a mutual presence. The fifth symbol is the lion's radiant mane, crowning the caduceus. It symbolizes passion ennobled by trust and the courage to open one's heart. This fiery presence reflects the emotional vitality that partnership can awaken. In readings, the Two of Cups signals harmony, attraction, reconciliation, or any bond founded on sincerity and balance. It invites authenticity, honest dialogue, and the courage to meet another with equal openness. It is the moment two hearts say yes.